Echo Show is the hub of the smart home with the screen functionality that you have. It does give you all the options to view your cameras right here in the kitchen, view your Ring doorbell, which we have on the front gate, to see who has arrived and talk to people through the show. So again, if you're looking at that video functionality, cameras and whatnot, it is a very essential part. It can control everything from the lights to the music, but again, it just gives you that video viewing capabilities. This is the older version. There is a new, bigger version with a bigger screen, better audio, and you're looking about $399 New Zealand to get that. So if you're considering getting the smart home and connecting everything, the screen functionality is very, very important. All the speakers, the Dot and the Echo Plus, they can control music and lights and everything else, but they don't allow you to view, for example, your Ring doorbell or your security cameras. So consider that, consider the price. It's great to have it in the central place like the kitchen. We have it here. Big fan, and definitely something to look into when you're looking to add smart functionality. Alexa, show me the front gate.
Okay.
Hello, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Test, test, test. Hi guys, I'm not sure if the audio is working. Hi, this is the Ring doorbell. We just got it on the front gate. And with the Amazon Alexa show, you can ask it to show you this. And obviously you're seeing me now. Someone comes up, we don't have an automatic gate, so it's locked, so they want to come in, they'll have to ring this and we can speak to them.
Alexa, play Michael Bublé Christmas on all speakers.
Playing on the all speakers group.
The great thing about having an Amazon Dot or an Echo Plus or the Amazon Show in every room or some of the key rooms of the house is you can set up music groups or groups for the speakers, and from one speaker you can control all of them. You could argue some of the sound quality isn't amazing, but in the newer ones they've really updated it and it is much better. You're looking at about an $80 Bluetooth speaker, so it's okay. But for a very cheap sound system throughout the house, yeah, put one of these in every single room. In this house, there is one in pretty much every single room. No, in fact, there is one in every single room. So you can control all of them from the kitchen one or from this one here. Alexa, pause all speakers. So that'll pause all the speakers in the house. You can change the volume from this one speaker or any other speakers. You can pause an individual one, change the song on all of them. So having one of these in every house gives you that functionality to control your lights, control the music, which is very important and very valuable. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be. These switches here, these are part of the core functionality of the home. They control the curtains here, but throughout the home, these similar switches, they control all the lights. So this is what I recommend to be an entry level for all houses. Curtains are great to have. Automated curtains, is one of our favorite smart home functionalities. But having lights, that is an entry level. That's where I would say start with your lights. Install Wi-Fi enabled light switches, and then you have full control of every room via an Alexa speaker or a Google Home speaker. And then you can add in curtain runners like this, automated ones, motorized curtains. For example, Alexa, close bedroom curtains. It's about to get pretty dark. These Wi-Fi enabled light switches, these are core to the home automation system here we have here. You don't need to change any light bulbs out. You just put in this Wi-Fi enabled light switch, or you replace your standard one with this one, and it gives you the exact same functionality as the Philips Hue light bulbs or any other smart light bulbs out there. As you can see here, there's this three gang switch, and it can control up to 3 lights. It's a tempered glass face with just a touch control. You have the app control for this. You also have the voice, which you've seen here today. For example, Alexa, turn on lounge ceiling. Alexa, turn off lounge ceiling. Alexa, turn on entry lights. Alexa, play some music.
Word of life, speak to my weary heart, strengthen my broken parts, lead me to your open arms.
Alexa, open the gate. Thanks for coming along on the quick tour. Just a few little things that we've got set up in this house. All of these products are available, or will be very soon. So if you are keen, you're interested, you live in New Zealand, Christchurch, make sure you subscribe. Jump on our Facebook. Futures is the company name. That's what we're going to be trading under, and that's who we are. That's who a lot of these products are for. And moving forward, we're going to be getting these into more homes across Christchurch and again New Zealand. So again, please jump on the Facebook, Futures New Zealand, or subscribe. Ask any questions down below about what we did, all that stuff. But thanks for coming along, and hit the like button and the bell. I apologise, I was just joking around, but do those. Thank you.